Boom, another real estate check. 3 houses sold under my belt.
Get that, man.
These telling me pool lights.
Hey man, this is a clean show, man. This is Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Let's go check out this bando. If you look at the house across the street, look at this nice house across the street. And if you don't want to sign that, that.
My name is Wholesale, but my friends call me Prestley. I like to make money. I'm an independent filmmaker, and I did a little music production in my time. My work has been successful, and I sold millions of records around the world. Now I'm ready to diversify and get into new businesses. Follow me as I learn new ways to make millions and millions of dollars. This is Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Let's make some money.
Hey, how's it going? Episode 12, Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Oh, this guy's about to mess up my shot.
Right here.
Palm tree shot?
Yeah, I got it.
There we go.
Oh, I got it. Yeah.
Episode 12, Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Pulled the convertible out. What's it, today, October 28th? It's October 28th. I know it's cold in most of you guys' hometowns, but I'm in sunny Phoenix, Arizona right now. Weather is perfect. It's finally good to pull my convertible out. 70 degrees today. I want to show you all this check that I just got. Boom, another real estate check. 3rd house that I sold. 4th real estate check. Things are going really good right now. I just locked up another house in the contract on Friday, and I believe I'll have a buyer for that one by this Friday coming up. Lots been going on. I've been in the studio with a few artists I work with. Elijah behind the camera, saying working on his project.
Yup.
We shot a music video for a new song I produced, Twinkle Twerk. Check out the music video for that.
Twinkle, twinkle, little twerk, let me see that booty work. Oh my God, you look so fly. Damn, these drugs got me so high. Twinkle, twinkle, little twerk, let me see that booty work. Oh my God, you look so fly. Damn, these drugs got me so high. Twinkle, twinkle, little twerk, let me see that booty work. You're in the wrong section here, twerking with them jerks. Twinkle, twinkle, little twerk, let me see that booty work. You're in the wrong section there, twerking for them jerks. Hey.
I'm working on some music, working on more music. I was just out in Cali, just got back from LA. I was out there working with Red Rose Panic, a band that I work with out of Akron, Ohio. They're doing some really good stuff. So still active with the music, but I'm also focused on this real estate. So yeah, I'm on my working on selling my 4th house. It's been a year since I started this web series. I think it's been about 11 months. So I was able to start from nothing in the real estate business, and now I feel like I don't want to say I'm a seasoned vet, but I feel like I know what the fuck I'm doing now. And it's cool because now I can teach people.
I don't got it in, I don't have it in writing. I can get that in writing. That's not my major concern now. He said he's meeting with 6:30, and I wanted to have the documents. I told him because I wasn't about to chase. I don't feel as if this guy is gonna just ditch me out of into $1,000.
It's not about what you feel.
He sees this guy's a 60-year-old.
It's not about what you feel, though. It's not about feelings. There's only one way to do business, and you're talking about feelings. We're talking about business. We're not talking about feelings.
I told you I'm gonna have a paper, and he will.
No. Listen, for real, man, because you sounded like you talking about feelings. We're talking about money and business. I'm going to get you a JV agreement, and that's what we're going to send him. Because if you don't want to sign that,
Because you doing work for free right now. And just your mental, this is mental work that we thinking about it. Them. If they don't want to sign your agreement, then you move on. And you should have never gave him your Connect's number. You just gave up the plug.
Anybody that wants to get some mentoring done, holla at me. You know what I mean? I can show you how I got my first 3 deals, you know, and how I'm about to get a 4th one. I can show you exactly how I did it. And yeah, I'm only working with serious people. Only serious people that are really about their business and they wanna make this money. I'm only working with serious people. Yeah, what else has been going on? Bought some new equipment, bought a new drone. You still got me in the shot?
Yeah.
Oh wow, must be a good shot. So yeah, we bought some new equipment. Got this new DJI Ronin.
We professional.
Got some gimbals and stuff. So you're gonna see a lot of better quality footage. But yeah, stay tuned. Making Money with Prestley Snipes, episode 12, man. Hop in the car, man. Keep it rolling. Hop in the car. Yeah, man. We're gonna put this still rolling?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a small check. This was only let me get from in front of these people's houses. This was a small check. I'm gonna have to blur it out. It was only a $2,100, $35 check. I already deposited this in my account. This is just like the paper version. Small check, but you know, I'm starting to realize that all of the real estate deals aren't the big checks. Sometimes they're the small $2,000, $3,000 checks, but after you get those consistently month after month, the shit starts to add up. Put your seatbelt on, man. You can't be rolling like this, man. You're riding dirt, man. What else has been going on? I don't know, man. I just wanted to give you all an update. I feel like the season 1 is over. It feels like I'm moving on to season 2 of this web series. Season 1, I was a novice. I knew nothing about real estate. Now we're moving into season 2. I sold 3 houses, got 4 real estate checks. Yeah, we're moving on to bigger and better things. I want to get into some flipping, some rehabbing this year. You know, so that's what I'm looking forward to. Maybe buy some houses, sit on them, rent them out. You know, become a landlord. You know, that's some things that I want to do this year. So thanks to y'all for watching the first season of Making Money with Prestley Snipes. I hope y'all learned a lot. You know, I've been giving y'all the whole thing. I've been telling y'all almost about everything except how I got these last few deals. And like I said, it's just some marketing. You got to spend money to make money. And like I said, if anyone wants to be mentored, hit me up in the email presleysnipes@gmail, or hit me up on a DM and let me know that you want some mentorship. It's not going to be cheap. It's not going to be cheap. I'm telling you that now. But I'm willing to mentor a few select people that are serious about getting in this real estate business and becoming millionaires. I don't know what else to say in this episode, man. I'm about to get back to work. I got some leads to follow up on. I got to work on selling this house. I got a house in Cleveland to work on selling. I don't know, man. Check out the new music video for Twinkle Twerk, Twinkle Twinkle Little Twerk. You know, produced by Prestley Snipes. Still in the music business, but we're in the real estate business now. So yeah, I'm actually working on a deal with is it on the low ISO? That shit got dust on it. So yeah, I'm actually working on a deal with my brother. This is actually his first deal. He was able to get 2 houses under contract at once, but he wasn't able to find a buyer until the contract expired. So now he found a buyer and his contract is expired. So I was trying to tell him, call the seller to get him to renew the contract. But he's saying the seller isn't picking up his phone for him now because he thinks he's full of shit. So let me turn the car around. So I guess, I don't know how, but he done gave the buyer the seller's phone number. I'm like, why did you do that? Why did you do that? And I made that mistake on my second deal. I put the buyer and the seller in the same house together, and the deal ended up falling through. So you're never supposed to give up your plug. You're never supposed to tell people. You're supposed to keep them separate. And now that the person's sell agreement is expired, he's really out of the deal. So now he just told this guy who his seller is, Now he's telling me he's about to send a purchase and sell agreement to the buyer. I'm like, why would you do that? Like you're not gonna get paid. Now you just cut yourself out the deal. So now he's going back and forth with me, telling me why he need to send him the purchase and sell agreement and how he got this guy's like, you know, he's gonna take his word for it. I don't take people's word for it. I know people are some sneaky motherfuckers, and I don't take people's word. I'm sorry to say it. I don't take people's word. I go by actions. I fuck with paperwork. I fuck with contracts and shit. So I told him, listen, you need to have a JV agreement because you don't have nothing in writing. You're about to just cheat yourself out of deal. Now you got me working and doing shit, and you don't even got a deal. Damn, I need to plug this laptop in. It's dead, man. Car, you know what I'm saying? It's a car, you know. I ride my family around and shit, you know what I'm saying? So it's not as nice as my sports car, but you know what I'm talking about. What you want to do, man?
I'm trying to get some food too. I'm hungry.
It's dirty, man. It's shit nicer, man. Glasses look like shit. My glasses got shit on them. You didn't even tell me. You pass me the wipe over there. That wipe on the side of the door, it fell over there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, my glasses look like shit. I'm gonna put this convertible up because we don't want to get racially profiled. You feel me? So, and plus, this sun is hot out here. You know what I'm saying? Like, this convertible is only good for showing off and really be hot if the sun when the sun hits you. And you know what I mean? It's like, yeah, it's episode 12, episode 13 coming soon. We got a lot of good stuff going on in 2020. I already know it. We're gonna make a lot of money. We're gonna sell a lot of houses in 2020. Stay tuned. Like, yeah, man, we still drive for dollars, man. I mean, even though I found new ways to get my leads coming in, I'm still out here driving for dollars. We about to go look for some properties, you know what I'm saying? We're not doing this style today because it's a nice day. You know, we were shooting the first few episodes. It was so hot outside. It was so hot. And it was like, you know what I mean? I didn't even want to be out there driving around. But now, the weather is a lot better. So now we can pull out the drop. We can ride around and drive for dollars in style. You know what I'm saying? Get the Melrose sign. Man. Get the Melrose sign. Show them where we at. Yeah, we out here. We're in uptown Phoenix right now. So we just riding through. We're gonna do some drive for dollars. The house over here going for like the house over here go for like 400, 500,000. So if you can find a deal over here, you're gonna be in really, really good shape. Yeah, it's hard to find deals over here, man. A lot of investors in Phoenix. I got a lot of competition out here. It seems like all the OG investors are in Phoenix. So here I am, this guy who knows nothing about real estate, thinking I'm gonna make an effect on the city by putting a couple banner signs down. And the banner signs didn't really work for me, but I had only put down 100 banner signs. I hear guys, they say they're putting down 100 signs a week. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta go hard with that banner sign hustle. But I found a hustle where I found a new way to get these leads, man. It's so great, man. I really just sit at home and wait for the leads to call me. It's really great. But yeah, I'm gonna end. I don't want to have this whole episode. Y'all see me driving. I already had episodes like that while I was driving the whole episode. I'm gonna look for some more properties. Episode 13, Making Money with Prestley Snipes, coming soon. I'm gonna have that 4th check for y'all. Really the 5th check, but the 4th house sold. I got 3 houses sold under my belt. 3. It ain't no more deuces. It's Treyway. Nah, I ain't no Treyway. Yeah, 3 houses sold. Stay tuned, man. Episode 13, man. We sold 3 houses. Man, we about to go to episode 13. Driving for dollars, Prestley Snipes in the drop top 650, 850 convertible. Driving for dollars, coming soon. We rolling through Phoenix, and we're in the Arcadia area, and I really like this area because I just liked what they're doing in this area, and I just noticed that I just came across an abandoned house. Looks like with a missing roof. It looks like somebody already fenced it up, so they probably jumped on this one already. I'm getting a FaceTime from Blackbeard. Yo. Yeah, the UPS man just delivered it. So I'm on my way to go get it. He left the shit outside. I had to call Jess, tell her, yo. I said, Jess, go pick that shit up. He just left it outside of my door. Yeah, I'm on my way back home right now. I'm over here getting some footage right now. He got the cameras on me, man. I'm working, man. I'm working, baby. All right, I'm gonna hit you when I get back home. Okay, all right. Let's go check out this band, though. It looked like somebody's probably already started on this. I mean, just seeing a fence around it, this area. Like, if you look at the house across the street, look at this nice house across the street. Yeah, now see, in an area like this, the house like this is gonna move fast. I'm gonna take a picture of it, and damn, I don't have my app. I need to get my other app. Yeah, I got the Dell Machine app. I don't know, I might have to pay for my Dell Machine subscription. Let's see. I'm gonna just put it in HomeSnap to find out this address, and I'm gonna just do my own research. $377,000. Is that what they're saying? See, this is a good one, man. They say the average spread in Phoenix is around $20,000, $30,000. I'm gonna save this. We're gonna do some research on it. I'm about done for the day. We're about to get back to the house and make some phone calls, man. I gotta help my brother with a deal. We got this deal he's working on. Make money with Prestley Snipes, episode 12. You got the palm trees in the back? I'm talking about you got me in the bed, you got like me.
Yeah, I got
palm trees? Yeah, it's still nice out here, man. October 28th, about to wrap this episode up. Making money with Prestley Snipes. Catch me driving off. So look, but I'm gonna come back and pick you up. Keep it rolling. I'm gonna just end it. All right, man. We're gonna catch y'all next time, man.